In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a professional PDF invoice template in Shopify. We'll be using a simple workflow that starts in Google Chrome, continues in the Shopify App Store, and ends with a polished invoice design that matches your brand. This is a great way to make your store documents look more professional and consistent, especially when sending invoices, receipts, or order summaries to customers. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Shopify App Store page. Using Chrome is helpful because it tends to work smoothly with Shopify tools and app interfaces. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for a verified PDF document designer app. Two common examples are Order Printer and Avada PDF Invoice. The key thing here is to choose a verified app with strong reviews and a clear connection to Shopify so you know it's reliable and built for this purpose. After you've found the app you want to use, go ahead and install it. During installation, Shopify may ask you to approve permissions so the app can access store order data and generate documents correctly. Read through the prompts carefully, then continue until the app is added to your store. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the template section. Here, you'll want to choose a pre-made premium clean template structure card. In simple terms, this means selecting a ready-made invoice layout that already has a professional design foundation. A clean premium template usually gives you better spacing, stronger visual hierarchy, and a more polished look right from the start, which saves time during customization. Next, customize the template to fit your business. Upload or insert your business logo graphics so your invoices reflect your brand identity. Then add your tax registration numbers in the appropriate fields, making sure everything is accurate and formatted clearly. After that, adjust the dynamic layout borders. These borders help frame the document and can make the final PDF feel more refined and organized. As you make these edits, keep readability in mind. A clean design is not just about appearance. It also helps customers quickly understand the document. When everything looks the way you want, click Save. This locks in your changes and updates the template so it can be used for future documents.